So continuing our new format, the next one is, if you don't listen to me, I will put you in something. Now, this was used on my son because he was not listening. And so I said to him, if you don't listen, I'll put you in the pram again because he likes to walk around. And so I wanted to practice this one more. So it should be, I'm assuming this is correct. If it's not correct, I apologize. But mud sturum called me ans something. So put in the pram you or something like that. So the first one we have is steam train. Most of these words come from Gàidhlig as well. So mud sturum called me ans and train smooju. Mud sturum called me ans and train smooju. Now, in East Perthshire Gaelic, or at least the informant that I model my language after, she says both if and if not as mud. But for the sake of clarity, I tend to just go with the standard ma for if, and then if not is mur, just because it helps me to differentiate them in my own brain. So yeah, anyway, continuing. So if you don't listen to me, I will put you in the bathroom. I don't do this, by the way. These are just example sentences. Med sturum called me ansen jemed janlachu. I'm assuming this is what the pronunciation would have been in East Perthshire. So, med sturum called me ansen jemed janlachu. So, if you don't listen to me, I will put you in the blue shoes. So this is because my son actually loves his blue shoes. And in this case, it's not really a threat. It's kind of like, if you don't listen to me, I'm going to put you into the things that you love. Anyway, but sturum called me ans na brogan gorum u. But sturum called me ans na brogan gorum u.
Papa, blue shoe.
There you go. He just said blue shoe. So the next one is the pram. So, but sturum called me ans framu. But sturum called me ans framu. Now, in a lot of these words, there would be a final sound on the noun or the naming word. For example, it would be train smooja, or prama. But in East Perthshire, that was dropped. Actually, in fact, most of Perthshire and most of the sort of Central Highlands, they wouldn't say the final sound, which is why I drop it. But you can say it however you like. So, if you don't listen to me, I will put you in the hotel. But sturum called me ansen dai ost u. But sturum called me ansen dai ostu. The next one is restaurant. But sturum called me ansen dai biu. But sturum called me ansen dai biu. The next one is the closet. And keep in mind, I don't actually do this. These are just words that I want to practice. And maybe other people might want to practice it as well. But yeah, closet. But sturum called me ans a closachu. A closachu. So mud sturum called me ans a closachu. If you don't listen to me, I'll put you in the bedroom. Which is mud sturum called me ans an jamed cuddle. Mud sturum called me ansen jamed cuddle. I'm assuming it's ansen jamed rather than ansen shamed. And it also can't speak English now. It also should be noted that in Perthshire they would say shamed rather than shawmed. So it sounds closer to the word chamber. Anyway, the next one is museum. There seem to be different names for it. I went with Gàidhlig, just because I don't know why, actually. But we'll just go with that one for now. Mud éisiúdum cód mí an san daigléú. Mud éisiúdum cód mí an san daigléú. Okay, the next one is gutter. So mud éisiúdum cód mí ans gutad. Ooh. Mud éisiúdum cód mí ans gutad. Oh, ans gutad. Ooh. So it should be gutad, I believe. Gutad. So mud éisiúdum cód mí ans gutad. And then the last one is a like a wash basin. So mud éisiúdum cód mí ans víos janlachu. Mud éisiúdum cód mí ans víos janlachu. Cód mí ans víos janlachu.